thing. It's actually, there's a whole kit. I'll try to find it and link it below for you. But there's a whole kit right here where these turn into a roller, and it's actually quite compact. And there's like a skipping rope and kind of like a rower, which I love using for stretching out my arms and underneath my arms and just strengthening it. And just use it while I'm watching shows. I love going like this because this is what I need to stretch, because for so many years my legs have been like this, wearing heels, right? So this is a great way to try to correct that and reverse it. And then I love doing it in my room because I can brace myself and make sure I don't fall over. But then there's also, it comes with an app where you can like put your phone on here and do games, which is nice and fun if you want something a little bit more interactive. And I love how durable it is. I love like how they figured out how to fit it all into this like little package. This thing screws off. I love that this comes off and that you can wash it. I just feel like this kit is very well designed, very stable, very sturdy, and it has a lot of different things that you can do with it. Like you can put your phone on here and do balance board games, and it's really incredible. Whoever invented this, thank you. It's amazing. And it's actually pretty easy to put together. I'll just kind of show you. So these kind of click into, like this turns into one big roller where it all clicks together. And it's been a while since I put it together. So you can also go like this and create like almost like a resistance band thing with like really good grips. And then you've got this, which is a skipping rope. It clicks into here on each side, so you can do jump rope. And what else? It's like, I don't know, a genius invented this because you can tell like the amount of thought that went into it. Now I'm trying to remember, how did I do this? There is instructions. Pretty sure it was like, I feel like there's another part to it. Oh yeah, there is another part to it. Right here. So this thing, if I can get this for you. So this, to make a roller bar, goes in here. And goes like so. And then this part goes like so. And then these things that also go with that thing, click on each side. It's very well designed and like engineered. And then these things, basically, you roll with it. I'm trying to show you. So like, for my upper body strength, which is really weak, and just stretching this area, I love using this thing. It's so good. I didn't click it in properly. It should be like, it all clicks in, and but It is so good, and it just happens to match my shirt, which is always nice. But yeah, I'll link it in the description box. It's a whole set, and it all fits into this like little box, all the different parts, and you can slide it right under your bed. So whoever invented it, thank you. You did a really good job.